What if I told you that millions of financially responsible people are becoming poorer every single year? Without realizing it, people wake up early, go to work, save money, try to do the right thing financially. People wake up early, go to work, save money, try to do the right thing financially, and somehow they still feel stuck, still stressed, still anxious about money. And the crazy part is, most people think this is normal, and somehow they still feel stuck, still stressed, still anxious about money. And the crazy part is, most people think this is normal. Look around carefully. Everything is becoming more expensive. Food, energy, transportation, healthcare, housing. Look around carefully. Everything is becoming more expensive. Food, energy, transportation, healthcare, housing. Basic survival itself is becoming more expensive. Meanwhile, salaries move slowly, or sometimes barely move at all. So people start feeling trapped, and many don't understand why. Because they were taught to believe that saving money automatically creates security. But what if the rules changed? This is inflation, and inflation is one of the most misunderstood forces in modern life. But what if the rules changed? This is inflation, and inflation is one of the most misunderstood forces in modern life. Most people think inflation simply means prices go up, but inflation is much deeper than that. Inflation means your time loses value, your energy loses value, your work loses value, because the money you worked for buys less over time. And the dangerous part is that inflation happens slowly enough that people adapt to it psychologically. A little more expensive this year, a little more expensive next year, and eventually, people normalize financial pressure. Our grandparents lived in a completely different financial reality. Many families survived with one income, one normal salary, one ordinary job. Today, many people work full-time, plus side hustles, plus overtime, and still struggle financially. And despite technology improving, despite productivity increasing, despite society becoming more advanced, people often feel financially weaker than before. And this is where things become really interesting. Because almost nobody teaches people how money actually works. School teaches obedience, schedules, memorization, tests, but almost nobody explains inflation, debt, central banking, investing, asset ownership, financial psychology. We learn how to work for money, but not how to stop money from quietly losing value. That creates generations of financially unconscious people. And modern society constantly pushes people toward consumption. Buy more, upgrade everything, new phone, new clothes, new car, new status symbol. Social media made this psychological pressure even more extreme. Now people compare themselves to millions of strangers every single day, and many people are trying to look wealthy while becoming financially weaker. That's one of the biggest psychological traps of modern life. Wealthy people often think completely differently. Average consumers buy liabilities. Wealth builders buy assets. Assets are things designed to either hold value or generate value over time. Businesses, stocks, real estate, gold, and eventually, Bitcoin. Now, let's be realistic. Bitcoin is not magic. And no, buying Bitcoin tomorrow does not automatically solve your life. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Nobody can suddenly print trillions more Bitcoin overnight. And for the first time, millions of people started questioning money itself. What gives money value? Why can traditional currencies be printed infinitely? Why are savers punished? Why does inflation constantly reduce purchasing power? Bitcoin forced people to rethink money, because the real issue is not just economics. The real issue is awareness. But Bitcoin introduced a revolutionary conversation. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Nobody can suddenly print trillions more. Financial unconsciousness affects psychology, relationships, mental health, freedom. That's why financial education is not just about becoming rich. It's about becoming conscious. When you understand inflation, when you understand delayed gratification, when you stop trying to impress strangers online, the future may belong to people who educate themselves financially, people who think independently, people who invest carefully, people who refuse to stay financially asleep. Because in the future, financial education may no longer be optional. It may become survival. Thank you for watching BTC Vision. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more about Bitcoin, money, psychology, and financial freedom. Activate the bell. I'm Maya. This is BTC Vision. See you in the next one. Stay sharp.